Please. Somebody here in the middle. All right. We don't need thunder. You're good.
You want me out?
Yeah, you're fine. All right. Now let's bring it down. The waist height. Okay. All right, so I've been asked if this is the same size as the flag that flew here. This is the same size as one of the two flags they had here in 1814. Just like on a ship, you have multiple different size flags depending on what you're doing, who you're signaling to, and what the weather is like. Fort McHenry was the same way. They had a big flag and a smaller flag. This is the storm flag. So this is a 17 by 25 foot flag. It's the same size flag that's flying over the fort right now. So like I said, the bigger one is 30 by 42 feet. This is 17 by 25. This is about the size of the blue field on the big flag.
Wow.
So, this is actually the size of the flag that was flying during the bombardment. So when the British are attacking the fort, it's a flag of this size that's actually being looked at by Francis Scott Key. It's not until right after the bombardment ends that they raise the big flag up. So when you go and you see the big flag in the Smithsonian, the reason it's not all shot up is because it wasn't shot at. The Smithsonian likes to claim that some of the holes might be from the bombardment. That's ridiculous. There is nothing to indicate that it was actually flying during the bombardment. Unfortunately, we can't ask the crews of the British warships that were here, but they wrote down what they saw, they wrote down what they were doing. All of the ships had logbooks. They don't ever talk about seeing a big flag until afterward. All right, so
why don't you volunteer to sing
this flag,
you see?
This flag version 2. Anybody have any idea how many different flags we've ever had in our country? How many times have we updated the flag?
20.
10.
Close, very close.
22.
12.
Our current flag, our current 50-star flag, is version 27. 27. And when did we adopt it?
59. 69.
Well, we added the last date in 1959, but the flag gets updated on the 4th of July of the following year. So Hawaii came in just after the 4th of July, so they had to wait until 1960.